So over here you can see that I have an image file right here, and then I'm just going to go around and use some tools right here. Let's say for example use Smart Fix right here, and then I'm going to go around, change around some lighting right here. So I have done some editing right here. So we are going to talk about all of these in the upcoming videos itself on how to make the edits. But over here, what we are going to focus on right now is the view option, which is over here on the top. So right now I am seeing the version of the photo that I have after the edit is done. So if you want to go around and change this out into, let's say for example, the before version, then you can go around onto view right here and click before only right here. So once you do that, you see the before version, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here, and here you can see that you can see before and after just like this as well. So you can go around, make changes around over here. You see the before version over here on the left side. You can go around over here and select vertical, and you can see the before version beforehand and the after version over here just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and then you can go around over here and work around with before and after just like that. So that is how you can go around and work around with view option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.